Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture to create a background in your presentation. Let's get started. So you'll see that I have a PowerPoint presentation on hosting a foreign exchange student. And so let's say that I want a picture for the background here. Well, whenever we deal with backgrounds, we're going to go to the Design tab. So click on Design up at the top. And then I'm going to go to Customize. And in the Customize group, you're going to see right here it says Format Background. Click on Format Background, and it'll open up the background pane on the right side of the page. By default, it'll be whatever your theme is for your presentation, but you could also choose this area here, Insert a Picture From. And you see that you have two options here, File and online. First, I'm going to show you how to look for an online image. And so this is something that I'll do if I don't have the image saved to my computer. So I would click right here on online, and then you can do a Bing image search to basically find an image. And so I'm going to type in world here just because it's foreign exchange students from around the world, and I'm going to pick an image. Typically I like images that are landscape format and that are that I feel would be good for a background. And so if I click this, I'm going to go to insert. And there we go. We're going to see that the image gets put into the background. Now keep in mind that if you have lighter text like this, you may want to change your text to be a darker type text. So I would, or darker color text. So I might change that to black and change this one to a darker color as well. Maybe something like this purple, okay? And that'll allow me to adjust my background so that my text can be read from the front. Now I'm going to show you how to change the or how to change the background into a file from your computer. And so right over here, you're going to see Insert Picture From, and I'll go to File. And so this would be a file within our computer, so something we have saved onto our drive. And I click that. And I'm going to go to my desktop where I saved the file, so go to wherever you saved your file at, and then double click the file to insert it. Now you'll see we have that same problem as before, where the text is dark over a dark background. Last time I showed you how to change the text color to fix this problem, but now I'm going to show you how to actually fix the image in the background and to make it more transparent so that you can read the black text on it. And so right here is the transparency meter, and you'll see right over here on transparency it's currently listed as 0. As I increase this number, it'll lighten the image. Okay, and so it basically makes it easier to see through. And I could lighten this image all the way to 100%, which would be just a blank white image, or I can reduce it to, let's say, 80%. So I'm going to highlight that, type in 80, and we'll see that now we can read that a lot easier. So again, the more transparency, the lighter it gets. So that's two different ways to insert a picture onto your background for your slides, and hopefully this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. Consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.